Adam.
Hello.
Check us out.
Whoa, I'm recording already.
Yeah.
Well, I'm Adam, I'm 28 and I'm the operations technical lead at instasmile.
So Adam.
I'm not called Adam.
So I've been married nearly a year to my lovely wife Jess, and yeah, it's going great.
Yeah, but you're not taping me.
Yeah, yeah. Why are you doing that?
If I could describe Adam in 3 words:
Particular.
secretive,
Friendly.
intelligent,
Sensible.
cute.
You're reaching people who really do need that help, and it's great to see people who haven't smiled in years smile. My favourite instasmile customer story is a lady who we helped a few years ago. Her son was in the background. He was autistic, he was struggling to do his Spanish homework. It just dawned on me that I needed to help both people at the same time, so I helped her through the process, but also helped her son do her Spanish homework. She then wrote me a letter a few weeks later when she got a product. She cried when she got the product, she was that happy. And then she also included a letter from her son, so that was a really special one for me on that one.
Hidden talent.
Working out the answers to jokes.
Run a marathon.
Do you have any special talents, Adam?
I certainly do.
You know it was to lose, and gambling's for fools, but that's the way I like it, baby. I don't want to live forever. And don't forget the Joker.
Jesus.